The Blogger's Blueprint 2025. How to Thrive in the AI-First Content Era. In 2025, blogging is undergoing one of its most significant transformations since its inception. With AI-generated content, voice search, and algorithmic personalization dominating the landscape, today's successful bloggers must evolve from mere writers into strategic content architects. The barrier to entry may be lower than ever, but the competition is also more intense. To stand out, bloggers must learn to build authority, engage visually, and adapt to platform changes without compromising authenticity. A core trend shaping modern blogging is the integration of AI as a collaborative tool rather than a competitor. Smart bloggers are using AI to draft outlines, suggest SEO keywords, and even analyze audience behavior in real time. Tools like GPT-based writing assistants, visual design generators, and sentiment analysis dashboards but despite the automation, originality and personal voice remain paramount. The audience of 2025 can distinguish between soulless automation and a human-driven narrative that offers real value. Bloggers who use AI as a co-pilot, not a replacement, are the ones scaling their output without sacrificing trust. Monetization strategies have also matured. Affiliate marketing, still reliable, is now joined by subscription models, digital product bundles, and community-based monetization. Platforms like Substack, Ghost, and even TikTok Notes are allowing bloggers to turn newsletters and microblogs into paid communities. Readers today are willing to pay for niche, high-quality insights, especially in areas like mental health, remote work, parenting, or financial freedom. The key lies in building a strong personal brand with a clearly defined niche and converting that into multi-format offerings, blog posts, podcasts, carousels. Successful bloggers in 2025 are no longer just writers. They're educators, curators, and community builders. Another major shift is in how bloggers promote themselves. In a world of endless scrolling, visual storytelling is more important than ever. Static blog thumbnails are out. Now, fire poster format visuals, infographics, and content carousels are essential for visibility on Pinterest, Instagram, and YouTube. Bloggers must learn basic visual design skills or work closely with